Hello friends, welcome to Geology Concepts. I hope you all are doing fine. The gate form is out and you all must be preparing very hard for it. Now, a test series plays a very important role in your preparation. And the test series, which is good, can be of very much help in improving your score. So, in this video, I'll tell you why you should take Geology Concepts test series. The first reason is that we have an exam like interface. So if you practice the test series, you will get accustomed to the features that you are going to see in the actual exam. So that is one, it will help you very much in getting ease with the interface. Second, we give detailed analysis report, and this is very important because you should know what type of questions you are lagging in and what is the score that you are getting. Because we have multiple attempts, you can see your score improving if you give another attempt to it, right? And this analysis is very important to judge your preparation level. The third thing is that we have given special attention to NAT questions. We all know that NATs have become very important since last few years. The pattern has slightly shifted in the GATE examination, particularly towards the numerical oriented questions. So in NET examination also you get numerical questions, and in JAM examination there is a whole section on NAT. So we have given special attention to NAT, and so that you get more practice of it. The fourth reason is that in our test you get complete explanation of all the questions, and it is not just the explanation of the question, it is covering the whole concept behind it, so that when you see the solutions, not only the question get answered, you also increase the width of your knowledge, which is very important because if you have more knowledge, more type of questions that can be asked from that concept will get covered. The fifth reason why you should consider Geology Concepts test series is our result. In the last year in NET and GATE exams, in the top 100 we had 11 candidates. So we can ensure you that you will get best competition on this platform, because every time you give the test you will get an all India rank, and based on that rank you can understand your preparation level, right? So this platform will keep the spirit of competition alive, and so that you know your position, right? And we have a lot of questions in our test series, more than 1600 questions you will solve if you seriously attempt the test series and do a good revision of the test series, because revision is very important, where you see the solutions and you see why you selected certain option, why you didn't select certain option, and what are the other ways in the question can be asked. So these are the reasons why you should consider uh, Geology Concepts test series, as we are the best platform here. And I'm just putting some testimonials on the screen you can see right now, is that we have got a 5-star rating in our test series, and the testimonials written by our students are also worth reading. So strongly we strongly recommend you to try our platform, and you will see the improvement in your results eventually. Thank you very much. And if you want to join the live class, you can take a free demo. The form link is in the description. Thank you so much and all the best.